Tonight, the race is intensifying to contain the coronavirus. There are now 5 cases right here in the U.S. with new cases in both California and Arizona. Health officials say 3 people in Metro Detroit have tested negative for the virus.
But there's new possible case right now in Washtenaw County. The specimen still has to be sent to the CDC for testing. So far, 82 people have died from this disease.
And nearly 3,000 cases have been confirmed in mainland China. Our chief health editor, Dr. Partha Nandi, joins us now with those answers. So, Dr. Nandi, first of all, what can you tell us about the cases right now here in the U.S.?
So, all these folks that had the infection had been to Wuhan before returning back to the U.S. Now, these confirmed cases are not in Michigan. There are 2 reported cases in California, one in Los Angeles County and the other in Orange County. And there is 1 confirmed case in Chicago, Arizona, and Washington State. So far, no one is reported in serious condition, which to me is great news.
Yeah, that is great news. Now, is the virus still considered to be low risk for Americans, especially with the news that it can spread when you're not even feeling the symptoms?
So, Mary, yes, the CDC is maintaining that stance, but there's still a lot we need to learn about this virus, including confirming that it really has the potential to spread before a person's symptomatic. Now, even though China's health minister made that statement, the CDC does not have clear evidence to support this information. But I can assure you that they're looking into this, because if it's true, it could make the spread of this virus harder to contain. On the plus side now, scientists have said that this virus is genetically similar to the SARS variant, and SARS was primarily spread when an infected person showed symptoms and by close-to-close personal contact. But let me be honest, this is an evolving outbreak, and we know that other viruses are infectious before symptoms can appear, like the measles, mumps, rubella, and chickenpox. So we can't really rule anything out just yet.
So, Doc, does the CDC predict that we'll see more cases, and what about containment?
Salon, the CDC does predict that there'll be more coronavirus cases here in the U.S. Right now, they're monitoring at least 100 people across 26 states. On the plus side, 32 people who thought they may have had the virus did not, and 73 are still waiting for their results. Regarding containment, those who are being monitored are asked to remain out of the public while they await results. Travelers from Wuhan are still being screened at several airports. And the CDC would like everyone to follow flu season protocol, which, like I've said, like a broken record, please wash your hands, right, for 20 seconds with soap and water. Avoid folks who are sick and stay home if you're ill. Don't be a hero. We'll stay on top of it and give you updates as we've been doing all week long.
All very pertinent advice, especially considering what's spreading out there right now. Dr. Nandi, thank you. And if you have a question or a health concern for the doctor, you can email him, Dr. Nandi, at askdrnandi.com, or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter.